Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here. Well, what we're doing today, we're going to take an oil pan off upside down. Yeah, I'm not going to flip it over. I'm going to leave it this way because, well, I haven't pulled the lifters out and labeled them all yet, so I don't want everything to go boom. So let's do it the wrong way. See if we can do it, get it done. All right? In some applications in Ford, you can actually lift the engine up a little bit. Say you got a leaking oil pan and you just want to change the oil pan gasket. Raise the motor up just a little bit, enough to get the pan to drop down and get out of there. This is kind of the way you would kind of go about doing it. Let's see what we got here. Now they should be loose. I'll say that again, they should be loose. And it should be 3/8 all the way around, except for in the corners. In the corners they put the big guys. And you're gonna need a long extension. We'll go ahead and use the giddy up for this one because they're supposed to be loose. I'm probably going to mess up here. Undo that because that is my dipstick. I want it nice and free. Okay, you get in here. Okay, there's all the little ones, and just to make sure, they are the big ones. Big ones! You got to be kidding me. There's 7/16 up front. Leave it to Ford. Okay, I was wrong on this block here. Oh, that's why I was wrong. I wasn't wrong, I was just sometimes not right. I missed one. That's the best thing about being wrong, is sometimes you're just not right. So you're not actually wrong, you're just not right. All of them. How many we taking out? All of them. Okay, ready to make a mess on the floor? Let's make a mess on the floor. Just getting it to pop the gasket loose is all I'm doing here. You hear that tone change? That's what I'm looking for. Now if you're wondering, they make these little plastic things that are screw in on one, they got threads on one end. You screw them into the four corners, the bigger ones, and they go into the hole, you screw them in, and they kind of got a little plastic stopper. Those are for when you do this, the pan will go poof, and it'll catch it so the pan won't fall all the way off or bang you in the noggin and stuff like that. They're a real handy tool and they're real cheap, and I don't have them, so we're just doing it that way. Again, she stinks. You can see there's some sludge in there. It looks like mostly, I don't see gasket material, but I'll look it over real good. I didn't see anything on the plug either when I took this, when I drained the oil in it. But there is some regular standard whatever in it. It has been, you know, driven. Probably the original oil, to tell you the truth. They probably never changed the oil in it. And like I said, it's a little sludgy, but I don't know. All in all, so far it don't look too bad. I don't see signs of copper. That's what I'm trying to convey here. But again, it reeks. I mean, absolutely reeks of gas, varnished gas, old nasty gas. So that carburetor was plugged solid and just letting all that gas just run right down in, and it settled down into the oil pan, mixed with the oil and slowly evaporated to give a nice varnish finish everywhere. So that'll do it up for this one. We got the oil pan off. I hope you got something out of that. Meantime, get out there and get some metal hot. We'll catch you on the next one when we jump into tearing something else off of this. Probably the timing chain cover. So stay tuned. Here it comes.